students, in this session we are going to learn a new poem which is very interesting related to the English subject. Students, you learned about the some safety rules. Do you know what is mean by safety rules? Means whenever we walk, we should walk from the left side, or when we are in crowded places, at that time we follow some rules. All these rules or some traffic rules means use the footpath for walking. Like all the rules are all for us or safety for us. And today something related like safety rules we are going to see in this poem. Understood? See, what is the name of our new poem? Safe on the Other Side. What is the name of our poem? Safe on the Other Side. Written by Emil Blyton. What is the name of poet? Emil Blyton. Understood? See, in this poem, what poet wants to say to us. Okay, I will read the poem. You have to listen carefully. Up the street I look to see if any traffic is near me. Down the street I look as well and listen for a horn or a bell. There's something coming, wet a bit. If I run out, I may be hit. But now the road is really clear. No car or motor bus is near. I will run across the road so wide. Hurrah! I am safe on the other side. Understood, students? Means from this poet wants to tell some safety rules to us. Okay? In the first stanza, what he said, up the street I look to see, means when poet is walking on the road and when he wants to cross the road, what he see, if any traffic is near me. Traffic means what? Traffic means some bus, some motor, some cycles, all the vehicles coming together. Okay, is some vehicles are near the poet first check it. Okay, down the street I look as well as and listen for a horn or a bell. Means first poet check both sides, right and left side. Or suppose there is a highway, he check when from the direction, which direction vehicles come. Okay, and when he check, at the same time he carefully listen the sounds of horn or bell. Something given the horn to him, that means stop there. Okay, after checking in the first stanza, poet says, what says in second stanza we will see. There's something coming, wait a bit. Means in first stanza poet check that is there any traffic near him, or is there any sound of horn or bell. And after checking all that things, suppose poet feels that something coming near to him. At that, what poet did? Poet wait for a bit. Poet wait for a bit means wait for some time. If I run out, because why poet is waiting? Suppose poet suddenly run on the road, what will be happen? There may be any accident will be happen, or maybe poet will be hit by any car, any motorcycle, any cycle, any auto rickshaw. Understood? So poet check it out carefully, and poet never run on the road. See the last third stanza. But now the road is really clear. No car or motor bus is near. I will run across the road so wide. Hurrah, I am safe on the other side. Means poet checked it out, and when poet confirmed about that no vehicles there are on the road at that time, poet start to cross the road. Okay, and when he reached another side, at that time poet says that yes, hooray, I am safe in the other side. Means in short, students, in this poem, poet wants to tell us about how he crossed the road. He stand up at one place. He observe the if vehicles are coming near to the him. He listen to the horn or bells. If some vehicles are passing through the road, poet wait for a minute, and when road becomes free, that poet cross the road and reach to the another side. Isn't it a very interesting but useful message for all of us students? Whenever we want to cross the road, we should follow all the things which done by poet in this poem. Understood? When you want to cross the road, you also check, is there any traffic near to you? Is there horn you are hearing? If not, if road is free, then and then you carefully cross the road. Understood? Now we will solve the question answers in tomorrow's session. Till that, you have to read the poem and write the new words in your notebook. New words are street, traffic, horn, wet, beat, hit and across. And see students, in these poems there are some rhyming words are also. Which are they? See, me, well, bell, beat, hit, clear, near, wide, side. All are the pairs of rhyming words. Understood? You have to read this poem and send me the audio clip. Thank you.